If Tinubu can forgive Reno, FFK and Bwala, why not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What exactly is the sin of the Igbo people? In Nigeria today, there is a question that keeps coming back, no matter how many times politicians try to avoid it. A question millions of Nigerians whisper privately, but only a few are bold enough to ask publicly. And the question is simple. If President Bola Ahmed Tinubu can forgive Reno Omokri, if he can forgive Daniel Bwala, if he can forgive Femi Fani-Kayode, if he can forgive Bosun Tijani, if he can embrace men who once insulted him openly, mocked him boldly, and campaigned aggressively against him, why then is forgiveness impossible for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Why is reconciliation easy for some, but unreachable for others? Why is mercy available for political critics, but not for a man whose case has divided the whole region, a whole generation? Something is not adding up. Something is not connecting. And Nigerians deserve to ask this question with boldness. But let's break this matter down carefully, because it is not just about individuals. It is about fairness. It is about consistency. It is about whether the Nigerian political system treats every group equally. Let's start with what we can all see clearly. Over the past few years, many of the loudest voices that once